What's up, everybody? It's the boy Q. Morning. It's Q. Coming back with another video. Today I will be heading down to somebody has I guess a estate sale from someone's house. So I'm about to head there to see what I can pick up. It seems like they have a lot of antique stuff, so I'm going to see what I could do about this. I mean, they have pictures I was online last night looking at that seemed like some potentials that they have there. I also did a search on eBay, see if some of the stuff that they have selling. I mean, they don't have all the pictures up, but it might be some things that I might see there. But at this point, my budget goal is just to only spend $50. I mean, it's my first time dabbing in like vintage things, and hopefully I could pick some good things that'll bring me back some good profit. So I'm heading there now, and when I get back home, show you the goodies that I received, what I might be potentially looking at. So stay tuned. I'll be back. And this is what I got for today. Not sure if these make me more profit than I would anticipate, or even any at all. I mean, this place had a lot of antique stuff, a lot of vintage stuff. Somebody definitely was a hoarder there. I wish I could have stayed there long enough. There's a lot to go through, but so far this is what I have. I'm gonna actually list these as a lot instead of selling them one by one. Let's see how that works. Next thing is to take a few pictures, pretty much get done with listing it, and we see how it goes. Till next time.